Hi, I'm Barry and welcome to Lockdown Drama. Some of you know me as Barry, some of you know me as Mr. Evans, but I am here to be Barry. Very nice to see you, thank you for joining me. So I have put this video on to say that I'm going to do some drama sessions that you can do at your house. Now some of you know me already. Hopefully there's some people here who don't know me. But what we're going to do is this. You are going to do some drama activities in your very room. Maybe the room that you're watching this from. So this is the introduction to lockdown drama. So what is drama? Well, drama is doing and experiencing things together. Usually physical activities, sometimes mental. But it should be fun. And it's usually really straightforward to do with people. Okay, now, if you've done drama with me, you know that you can do it with lots of people, but I'm going to do lots of activities for 2 people. Some of these can be adapted for more than 2, for example, 3, but most of these are going to be for 2 people, okay? Now, some people think that drama is just about acting. It's not about acting. You don't need to be a good actor. Drama should be fun, as I said, and also it can be for any age group. So it's okay if you do this with your 5-year-old brother or sister. It's okay if you do this with your gran or your dad. And grown-ups, if you've never done it before, don't think it's just for children. Not at all. In fact, the activities we're going to do are for all age groups. You have to try them to feel the experience and to feel the benefit of doing it. It should make you feel like you've had a fun time with someone. I've used the word fun 3 times now, 4 if you count that time when I said fun. No, that's 5 now. I'm not going to say it again. It also breaks down inhibitions and it involves playing a lot of the time. Grown-ups, they don't play enough. So try some of these drama activities. So what do you need? You need some space. So clear the chairs out the way in the dining room. You don't need much space, but just find that little space. You know those PE videos you've been watching? You need that kind of space. Then you need a partner. If you've got more than one, that's fine. Someone can sit down and watch. You don't need an audience, but you could have one. Or you could adapt these for somebody else. Just a few notices about the videos. I'm not a YouTube video expert. You will see that they're not technically proficient in any way. I don't want to learn how to do these. I'm just going to say some bits for you to join in with, and you can go for it. So I'm not going to make it all jazzy and fancy. I could put on a few filters and have some fun stuff like that. But I'm not really going to bother. I'm just going to be here, okay? I plan to put on maybe a couple a week. I don't know yet. Keep checking in and find out, okay? They'll last maybe 5-10 minutes. So not long, but enough to enjoy. And you can adapt all of these activities I'm going to do. Sometimes I'll ask you to pause me. Like that, okay? I'm not just going to pause or freeze, as we know in drama circles, okay? So I'll ask you to do that every now and again. You need space. Let's go back to that. You need a partner, and that's all. That's it. Simple. Now, these videos, I have disabled the comments. That means no one can comment, just because a lot of young people are watching this, and we've got to keep it appropriate. And it's the only way I can make sure that that's going to happen. If you do want to get in touch with me, then I'm available on all my old numbers, my email address, my phone number. If you want to get in touch and feedback or just say hi, that would be amazing at this time. Now, that's about it. So I recommend that you start with mirroring. So go ahead and search for that now. That's the best one to start with. And if you've done that already and you're watching this after that, crazy. You're crazy. Perfect for drama. Then move on to the next one. So thanks very much for joining me, and I'll see you soon.